In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Uber customer service. If you need help with a delivery, a payment, or your account, the fastest way to reach Uber is directly through the app. Start by opening the Uber or Uber Eats app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top corner, then select Help. From here, choose the topic that best matches your situation so your request is routed to the right team. Common categories include delivery problems, account issues, payments, background checks for drivers and couriers, and general app troubleshooting. Take a moment to read the short prompts inside each topic. They often surface quick fixes or let you submit details without waiting. Once you've selected a topic, you'll see the contact options available in your area. Depending on your location and account type, you may see in-app live chat, phone support, message support, or priority support during an active delivery. If you currently have an order in progress, open that order from your home screen, tap Help, and contact support directly from the order screen. Reaching out from the active order automatically shares key details like the restaurant and address, which helps support resolve issues faster. If you prefer using a browser or you're not near your phone, visit the Uber Help Center at help.uber.com. Sign into your account to view tailored articles and tools. From there, you can submit support tickets, track open issues, read driver and courier FAQs, and manage account settings such as documents, payments, and notifications. The Help Center is also a great place to review policy articles so you know what documentation or screenshots to include before contacting support. A few quick tips to speed things up. Be specific about what happened and when. Include the order number if you have one, and add clear photos or screenshots when the app offers that option. Keep notifications enabled so you don't miss replies, and check the support or help inbox inside the app for updates. If your issue isn't fully resolved, reply within the same conversation thread so the agent has your history. That's it. Use the in-app help for guided support and real-time contact options, and use help.uber.com for deeper articles and ticket tracking.